จะบอกให้รู้ว่าฉันเคยกอดใครมาแล้วจะบอกให้รู้ว่าฉันเคยจูบใครมาก่อนจะบอกให้รู้ว่าฉันเคยโอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้ผิดมากไหมที่ฉันไม่ได้เก็บไว้ให้เธอใช้เป็นคนแรกที่เคยกอดที่หอมแก้มที่ฉันเคยทำให้ใครผิดมากไหมที่พูดว่ารักที่เคยบอกไปว่าคิดถึงใครฉันเคยเจ็บฉันใจง่ายเคยเสียตัวเสียใจ
I think it's very helpful in the sense that for the people who do not know anything, they can. It's quite easy to pick up. There's a lot of pre-workshop materials which is also very useful when it gets you prepared for the workshop itself, for the actual day. I haven't attended much workshops that has actually that much pre-course material.
Okay.
Be it online, on Facebook, sent by WhatsApp or whatsoever.
So that is something that is useful to help you learn a bit before coming in.
Learn a bit and know roughly what to expect. At least you are somewhat up to speed. You're not coming here totally zero. If it's available, come for it. Worth it. Totally.
Made the whole session quite interesting. And then she will make sure that everybody is engaged. Like we will have an answer and then we will have to repeat after her. I would have to say that as a beginner, initially I thought it was very draining, but surprisingly, I learned more than what I expected. I only know very simple greetings, but through this session, actually, it's easy to break up the sentence and try to understand what the locals are saying.
A day?
Yeah, I would recommend if you have interest in this, is they will definitely take away something that they will never forget.